Problem 156, Classical Mechanics. The question is, two particles of identical mass move in circular orbits under a central potential V of r is equal to half kr square. Let L1 and L2 be the angular momenta and R1 and R2 be the radii of the orbit respectively. If L1 by L2 is equal to 2, the value of R1 by R2 is. We have the expression for total energy in the case of a particle which is moving in central force is given by E is equal to half m r dot square plus V effective, where V effective is equal to L square by 2m r square plus V of r. Now for circular orbit, the radial kinetic energy is 0, that is energy is equal to half m r dot square plus V effective, in which the first term half m r dot square is equal to 0 for circular orbit. Therefore, the total energy is nothing but V effective, the effective potential. What is V effective? It is L square by 2m r square plus V of r, where L is the angular momentum and r is the radius. In the present problem, V of r is given as half kr square. Therefore, the effective potential is L square by 2m r square plus half kr square. Here, the particles are moving in circular orbit. The curve is shown below. For circular orbit, effective minimum is V effective is minimum. For circular orbit, V effective is minimum. Then, if V effective, the effective potential is minimum, then we can say that dou by dou r of V effective is equal to 0. We have V effective is equal to L square by 2m r square plus half kr square. Since V effective is minimum for circular orbit, we have dou by dou r of V effective is equal to 0. This implies L square by 2m r cube into minus 2 plus kr is equal to 0. This implies L square by m r cube is equal to kr, or L square is equal to mk r raised to 4, or L is equal to root mk r square. L is equal to root mk r square. In the present problem, two particles of identical mass move in circular orbit. Now, if L1 and L2 are their angular momenta, then we can say L1 by L2 is root of m1 by m2 r1 by r2 whole square. This implies L1 by L2 is equal to R1 by R2 whole square, because M1 is equal to M2, which is given in the problem. It is given that L1 by L2 is equal to 2. Therefore, we can say R1 by R2 is equal to root 2. Hence, option A is the right option.